Hello everyone. So tini all the Tiprasas who are gathered, all the Tiprasas who are staying in Delhi, most of us have gathered here. Some are not here, but through this video, we want to send a message to our Bg.David and all the Tiprasas living in Delhi and in Tripura and all the viewers who are seeing this video. As we know that on 5th of July, Bg.David has started on his historical foot march to Delhi, not for any political agenda, not for any personal gain, but for our people, for every one of us. So we have been keeping in touch with him, and we have been informed that he'll be in Delhi soon, most probably, if everything goes right, by 8th or 9th of September. He'll be in Delhi. So we want to send a message that whenever he comes to Delhi, we as a Tiprasa who are staying in Delhi will extend our help in whatever way we can, either small or big, any legal clearance, as if we want to book Jantar Mantar for the demonstration, legal process, medical help, or anything that permission that needs to be granted. Because here we have people working in Delhi police, we have advocates here, we have medical team here, doctors are working. So everyone will be coming together as a whole to support our one common cause. So through this video, this is what we want to send a message to all the viewers seeing this video.
Nani ta Kwchar rai all this kang no sai peka hanggang kai an sana musung mang kang ja haisi sini hai Tongnai Tripura ni sini sengjoto no sai mon tongo Bg.David Murasing te bini team sini warriors ro borong ni sacrifice ma seng asike tamen nai bukhaw nang kha sini ora Tongnai Delhi Tiprasa ngai borong no ora Lamsok na ni seng chai tok lai kha seng Kwchar lai kha tini ni di no hanggang kai ang borong no bo mano ko kesana musung go Bg.David Murasing and bini team no noro ka ham kereng phai di Delhi wo seng zeman sak ora sini Delhi Tiprasa Tongnai ro noro no chubanai noro ni je legal process khaima jaga wo noro ni NOC nama jaga wo e noro ni memorandum ma jaga